Good morning. Good morning. I am preparing to go out for a walk. And these days, I have a partner. I had broken my routine of going out and walking. I usually would walk on the hospital track, the track in front of the hospital in my town. But now, I'm walking with someone else. I have a partner, and I'll show you just who that is in a few minutes. So I'm going to cover my head because it's cold outside, get my jacket, and go for my walk. And I will be back to talk to you later. Huh? I am. I just have to put my shoes on and grab my jacket. I'm leaving now for my walk, and my partner is going to catch up with me in a little bit. And I know that I won't be alone because this person walks faster than me. So I'm just trying to get a head start. I'm going down the street. And I'll share my partner with you in a little bit. You see how far ahead I am right now? Just watch. Right there. Just wanted you to see a house in my neighborhood that I think belongs in Charleston, South Carolina. Even the trees with the moss. I'm going around front so you can see it a little bit better. This is not on my route. I'm supposed to be going straight, and I'm going the other direction. Now I'm gonna have to run to catch up, and I will. I tried running, catch my husband, and you can see I'm just about out of breath, and I'll show you how far ahead of me he is now. There he is, guys, way in front of me, waiting for me. That's what he's doing. Oh, thank you, Lord. There's pecans on our route to walk. I see some right here. And he's gonna get them. So this is my way now again of getting back in front of him, because I'm not gonna stop for that. Let him get pecans and keep on going. Guys, while I was running, I guess I lost my hat. I didn't even realize it. I felt a little chill on the back of my head, but that's what I guess I just have to do without it. I got a couple more coming anyway for my walks. So hopefully they'll be here tomorrow or today. And I can still cover my head that way while I'm walking. This is what picking up pecans and just slowing it down for the last leg of the walk does for me. I'm right up on him, because he's not walking as fast right now at the end of the walk. I just wanted to say good morning to my children. Say good morning, because I'm going to put this in photo circle.
Good morning.